Hello, my name is Kenny and I work for San Mateo County Libraries. And today I'm going to show you how to make a mini-zine. And this mini-zine has 6 pages inside with a front and a back cover. But the best part about this mini-zine is that it is all on the same side of a single sheet of paper. So what you're going to need is a single sheet of paper, some scissors, and a pen or a marker won't hurt. So the first thing you need to do is fold this sheet of paper left to right, right down the middle, like this. And make sure you get a nice crease there. And we're gonna actually fold it one more time from left to right, right in the middle, like this. And make sure you get a nice crease. And then we're going to open it all the way up. And now we're going to fold it from top to bottom, right in the middle. Just like so. Get a nice crease. And then we can open it up and we should have now 8 panels to work with. Alright, and now what we're going to do is we're going to fold it one more time left to right, like so. And this is where that marker or pen could come in handy. I want you to make a line from this edge right to the middle, right? So just like that. And remember the opening side is on this side. So we're going to make it from this side over to the middle. And we're going to take our scissors and then we're going to go ahead and cut that line we just drew. Alright, now once we do that, let's open up our page all the way. So now there should be just a big hole in the middle of our zine, right? And then we're going to do, it can get a little complicated, so I'll try to do it slowly. We're going to fold it like this. And so you can see like almost like a diamond in the middle of our zine there, right? And what I want you to do is we're gonna have this part over here touch this part by just pushing in like this. Nice. And then we're gonna fold back these pages like so. And then this page we can fold over like that. Give it a nice crease there. And then there we will have our front cover, page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4, page 5, page 6, and of course our back cover. But the best part is that when we open it all the way up, it will all be on the same side of that piece of paper, so it's easy to scan, easy to make copies, and share with family and friends. Have fun!